monophones. Last week we learned 12 monophones. Today we will deeper understanding a problem. It is four monophone E, R, and R. E and E. E, sheep. T, C, monkey. It is very easy. E, sheep. Lips, big. Leaf, fish. Now we practice saying sentences. Skiing very rapidly. She sees a monkey eating honey. We see a pony spilling money. L and R. A, bed, best, 10, red, F, R, cat, hat, bat, apple. Practice saying sentence. The fat cat wore a jacket 10 meters from the enemy. Dennis will enter the festival. Your dog